Imagine waking up one morning and seeing oil prices hit $150 per barrel. At first, it might sound like just another headline, but in reality, it could change your daily life completely. Oil is not just fuel for cars, it powers the entire global economy, from transportation and food supply to electricity and manufacturing. Almost everything depends on oil. So what happens when oil prices rise this high? The impact begins immediately. Fuel prices skyrocket, gas stations increase prices overnight, and suddenly, filling your tank becomes expensive. But it doesn't stop there. When fuel costs go up, transportation becomes more expensive. And when transportation becomes expensive, everything else follows. Food prices rise because trucks cost more to deliver goods. Air tickets become expensive, shipping costs increase, and businesses start raising prices. This leads to one major problem: inflation. And when inflation rises, people struggle to afford basic things. But there's more. High oil prices can slow down economic growth. Companies spend more, profits shrink, and in some cases, people lose jobs. This is how a simple increase in oil prices can push economies toward a recession. And the reason behind rising oil prices? Often, it's global tension. Conflicts, wars, and instability in oil-producing regions can disrupt supply and create panic in the market. So when oil hits $150, it's not just about energy, it's about your money, your lifestyle, and your future. Because in a world driven by oil, when oil prices rise, everything else follows.